Well, you guys already see where I'm at again. I feel like I always gotta change these tires, to be honest. Just spinning, bro. Spinning ain't winning. I think these are my old tires right here. Or this is one of them. As you can see, it's pretty bald. The other one's like way worse. But yeah, I'm out here just getting new tires. It's pretty cold out here too. Got frost on the roof already. Just been sitting for a minute. Yeah. With all honesty, like these tires actually lasted me a decent amount of time. Like for rear tires anyway. The fronts haven't been changed since the last time that you guys saw. But yeah, it's been a few months since I've had the tires actually. I think I got them back in August and we're in December now. So they lasted a decent amount of time. So actually I am going with a different setup, different tire setup this time. They're still Federals. Well, I'm going back to Federals, but they're gonna be the RS Pros. They're pretty new. They haven't been around for that long. So I'll show you guys what they look like as soon as they roll out the wheels. So here's the RS Pros. Pretty meaty, it's cool. 275. Hopefully they grip. Alright guys, so as you can see, my armrest has an issue. It's always something. But yeah, I thought I'd just give you guys a POV. I haven't done one in a minute and I don't know, it just seemed cool. While I'm on my way somewhere, might as well do it, right? So here we go. Y'all already know the deal. I don't know if it's better with these lights on or not. What is that? Dude got underglow. That's a stinger. What is that? I don't know what it is. Dude got LED lights on the side of his car. No scrape over the speed bumps. Oh man. There's a cat in the street, bro. What is going on? I just got these tires, as you guys, saw. I haven't really did a pull or anything, but he said they should be good. They're on 35 PSI right now. So he said if I spin just to lower the tire pressure a little bit to like 32 or something like that, 30. But most likely I'll just leave it. I don't think I'll spin. So these tires are the Federals. They're RS Pros. That's what they are. So yeah, it's my first time using them. I'll probably stop at a gas station, to be honest. With the car lately, to be honest. That's why I haven't been posting as much, especially on Instagram. Speedometer is working, but it's gonna go out soon. As always, maybe. The ABS lights on. I'm pretty sure my ABS, I forgot what it's called. Let me think. It's right here in the engine bay, right here on the driver's side. I forgot what it's called. ABS module, something like that. But I'm pretty sure that's kind of bad, which is why slip light comes on and VDC is always on, and the ABS as well. sure that's what it is. I don't think it's the transmission speed sensor, but I will be trying to fix that next. Now that, you know, I got an idea. But let me just shut up a little bit. Now you guys want to hear the car, turbos and all that. To turn these lights off. I don't know. That was a cop right there. Like he was in a hurry or something. Yeah, good thing I turned these off. Would have seen the GoPro, it would have been over. No, it's just a little POV, nothing crazy. I think it looks good with the lights on. It looks better. Like you guys can see the interior a little bit better. I know I got my seats in. They're pretty comfortable, I'm not gonna lie. I'd recommend them. I just wouldn't recommend installing them. Let a shop do that shit for you guys. AFRs, and you know when it's in the 14s, it's looking good. Which I don't know if this is accurate, because Saul always told me that this was off, and that, well, the oil pressure gauge is a little bit off too. But, I mean, I don't know. Backfire map, by the way. I just don't use it because it's not, the backfires aren't even as loud, to be honest. So not as loud as, like, you know, when my car was in A. It's kind of just like burbles. So I don't know, they're not that loud, so I just don't use it as much. Like, I'll use it like here and there, but I'd rather just save the gas. Especially with these prices now. E85 is damn near like $4 when it used to be like $2 when I started using it. Gas price is crazy. Oh shit, that dude almost hit that truck right there. Brembos, just let me know if that's like normal, because mine do that sometimes. Gotta just get gas real quick, a little bit of gas, because that is not accurate. Probably put like a dub in there. Steep ass hill. This gas station has some of the best lighting. Why everybody fills up their cars over here. Which way? Do I want to pull in? Just pulling this way. Frick it. Alright. I am a bot because I could have just went around this way. Gucci. We looking at today, $3.99 still. Oh, I did not film putting it in. Oh well. Wait, pause. Yeah, that shit is $3.99 now. Like, prices are just going up. Crazy. But one moment, please. All right, let's do this. Put a little bit in since I'm not, you know, all the way out. Car's filthy. Hasn't been washed in about 2-3 weeks, maybe. I don't know. Yeah. It's pretty beat. What is this music, bro? About to get copyrighted. Yeah, we're gonna be back 2022, man. I'm actually planning on taking this wrap off pretty soon. I might do that, you know, within the next week or two. I just gotta find the time to do it. What else? This is a new setup. This is a new look for the G, honestly. I'm honestly tired of this color that I have right now. Like, I'm tired of deep space. I'm kind of over it now. I've been over it for a minute, actually. It's kind of hard to take pictures with this color. Like, you can't even take good pictures that often, like, with this color, especially depending on the light. Like, the light has to hit it real good for you to get a good pic. And I'm just, at first it was cool, but like now I'm just over it. Like I said, the new color is gonna be pretty dope. Not a lot of people have it, so that's cool. But yeah, let's continue this POV. And ignore this crack. I know I've had that for like the longest. Just ignore it. It's not there. Nah, I plan on fixing that too, to be honest. I'm tired of that. Just need to clean up the car. Pretty much. Yeah. As far as turning up the boost, I'm honestly debating on if I want to stay on E85 or just, you know, go ahead and pay like $1,500 or $1,600 for some injectors. You know, to just god damn, boy, can't talk. I'm debating on switching back to 91 because it's either pay like $1,500, $1,600 for some injectors to continue, you know, running E85, or I could just switch and then, you know, I could change out the spring and the wastegate so that I could push more boost already on 91. But, you know, it's a hassle kind of switching to from E85 back to 91. It's a hassle. You know, you got to do certain stuff, and I don't know if it's worth it in the long run. You know, in the long run, because you make more numbers on E85, obviously, and you know the prices are damn near the same. Like, you're paying $4 basically for gas is like what, like 450 right now, maybe 5 almost. So it's not that big of a difference. So yeah, I'm just debating. I probably won't switch back to I probably won't switch back to 91, but I don't know. I just be thinking. Am I crazy for that or not? Would y'all do it? Speedometer has not stopped working, so nice. I'm gonna do a 20 roll in a second once I hit a straightaway. So then we'll see, you know, how the tires grip. But so far so good. Like I haven't spun or anything. Feel pretty solid. I'll test it out right here, see how it goes. I think it looks really good with the blue. Like, let me change it and see if this looks better, because I have this remote. I don't know if you guys knew, I could change colors and stuff like that. You probably knew if you've been following for a minute. Traffic. Just kidding. It's like the streets are pretty much empty, honestly. It's not too many cars. That did not sound good. I think something hit the back of my seat, to be honest. I didn't even shift all the way. I'm pretty sure something hit the back of my seat. And that fell out. Oh yeah, I'm dead. What the hell? Yeah, we don't do 20s around here, bro.